In 1964, the Maschio brothers built their first piece of farm equipment in an outhouse nicknamed the Tiller's Lodge. Today, that agricultural building, which was a mechanical laboratory, has become a major industrial group, wisely managed by the two founding partners, Egidio and Giorgio Maschio. For years, the group has been a leader in the production of harrows, cutters, mulchers, shredders, rotary tillers, cultivators, seed drills, row crop cultivators and mowers. 120 different types of machines are manufactured, 75% of which are exported all over the world. Maschio Gaspardo S.p.A. has 6 big factories in Italy, Romania and China. Overall, the production area is roughly 365,000 square meters, of which around 80,000 are covered. The Campo d'Asigo factory near Padua is dedicated to the production of machines and equipment for soil preparation. Power harrows, rotary tillers, mowers, shredders and straw choppers, fixed and folding, spread over 50 models, form the limitless Maschio range that promptly meets any requirement of modern agriculture. The mechanical components, assembled with great care through the many different manufacturing lines, ensure the longest life of the Maschio product, thanks to the use of top-quality materials such as the Bondioli and Pavesi gearbox. With the goal of total quality, one of the factories manufactures exclusively blades for soil preparation machines, using the best Swedish steel to ensure excellent long-lasting performance. In fact, the Maschio blades have become famous for the highest resistance to wear, worthy of their lifetime guarantee. Thanks to this efficient in-house production, the fast and reliable spare parts service is always guaranteed to the Maschio product end user. The Morsano al Tagliamento factory near Pordenone manufactures over 70 models of seed drills, planters, combined machines, cultivators and hay equipment with the most advanced technological tools. And more precisely, vacuum precision planters for cereals and vegetables, mechanical on-line planters, mechanical and pneumatic seed drills for direct seeding, row crop cultivators, finger blade and disc mowers. In this factory, the production departments are dedicated to the assembly of the machines, steel structural work, electrical and electronic installations. A sophisticated painting line that uses an advanced technique, such as the cataphoresis process, paints the frames with an extremely compact PPG paint of the highest quality, offering optimal resistance to corrosion. At Cardonaghe near Padua, Maschio Gaspardo has an efficient plant, which manufactures semi-finished products exclusively for the machines of the group, with the highest level of accuracy and competence. The qualified trained staff of this factory uses the very latest steel working technologies, including an automated warehouse, a high-capacity automated storage facility for raw materials and semi-finished products. Here the items are called up on the terminal and the warehouse searches for them autonomously, picking and delivering them 24 hours a day. There are also fully automated Trumpf laser cutting stations that prepare the different cut pieces to meet the group's production requirements. There are fully automated welding stations. There are many robots by ABB Robotics. Every one has its workpiece, load and unload autonomously. Innovative workstations, served constantly by robots and supervised by professionals with a high technical profile, guarantee precision in the production of semi-finished products through continuous day-night production runs. There's also a vast dye warehouse. The many manufacturing Maschio Gaspardo plants put the group in a leading position in the agricultural sector, offering the widest product range that meets any kind of farmer's requirement worldwide. At San Giorgio delle Pertiche near Padua, the group boasts another modern high-tech factory. It's equipped with many mechanical and hydraulic presses up to 5,000 tons, transfer units, conveyor belt feed lines, assembling and welding stations. The company in Romania specializes in the production of minimum tillage machines. The factory uses steel working technologies and equipment to manufacture and assemble all the components on the finished machine. In particular, equipment ranging from 60 to 600 horsepower, including subsoilers, disc harrows, and seedbed preparers. An efficient spare parts service ensures prompt parts delivery worldwide. In 2004, immediately after the establishment of Maschio Gaspardo Romania, Maschio Gaspardo Jingdao was founded in China. This plant manufactures light-duty equipment such as finishing mowers, shredders, and rotary tillers. Maschio Gaspardo Jingdao is a high-level industrial unit meeting the requirements of the emerging markets in the Far East regions directly. The plant is equipped to handle all phases of the industrial process: planning, mechanical work and quality control, right up to the realization of the finished product. The constant and careful presence of Italian managers guarantees the uniformity of the qualitative standards, from production to after-sales service. At Villafranca, on the outskirts of Padua, the group trains its staff and dealers within the walls and the fields of Villaranza, a beautiful, large 18th-century villa restored by the Maschio family. In this special context, tradition joins technology. The Maschio Gaspardo Group also has a center dedicated to the research and development of innovative agricultural technologies. The center, located at Aquileia near Udine, gives Maschio Gaspardo technicians and researchers the chance to test the machines in different operating conditions before they enter production. The group has branches scattered all over the world, from the Far East to the Western world: Korea, the Middle East, Turkey, Russia, Ukraine, Poland, Germany, France, Spain, and North America. In 2010, a production plant will be established in India. The proliferation of branches throughout the world is proof of the concrete and constant commitment to a strategy of development for export, which began in the early 70s. The branches are also proactive in their markets, organizing and attending important exhibitions to provide customers with the information on product range evolution, including in-campo tours, equipment field trials for farmers and dealers aiming at promoting the Maschio Gaspardo product knowledge in Europe and overseas. The Maschio Gaspardo technicians that lead these events are assisted by university professors and expert agronomists. This is all possible thanks to the commitment of the Maschio family. The two founding partners, Egidio and Giorgio Maschio, and their children, Andrea, Mirko, Martina, and Monica, working hard on the executive board to guarantee the continuity of the company. Such a major consolidated industrial company continues its excellent performance thanks to the qualified job of nearly 1,000 employees, carefully selected, professionally trained, and motivated to pursue the company goals. Competence, intuition, and creativity are key words in the company's design departments. Research and development labs where professionals and technicians are constantly searching for new ways to improve the product. Also thanks to the excellent IBM design platforms running CATIA V5, an efficient and completely integrated suite of software applications making Maschio Gaspardo leader in its sector. Maschio Gaspardo is UNI-EN ISO 9001-2008 certified. In fact, every phase of our management, production and service have been conceived and tested to optimize resources and to guarantee the highest quality product. SAP, an advanced software system, supports all the factories and branches, optimizing the whole corporate processes. Maschio Gaspardo Group adhered to the lean production philosophy, unifying all its production departments, standardizing machine components, and phasing out waste. This important step entailed considerable technological advantages and significant rationalization of the supply chain, product distribution, and after-sales processes, improving product and service quality standards. A 100% quality product has always been a refrain in the mind of the Maschio brothers, as well as the utmost consideration of farmers as protagonists of the great Maschio Gaspardo Group's success. The Maschio Gaspardo sales department is streamlined, flexible, and always attentive to the requirements of the global market. The sales staff is not only constructive and competent, but also diligently guided by a watchful management and constantly supported by the most advanced marketing and advertising tools. The sales reps and technicians work together, constantly coordinating their work with the corporate directives and providing the customer with everything they may need to meet their particular requirements. But the group's philosophy also extends to after-sales services. Indeed, the customer can always count on a fast and efficient parts service that delivers directly to the workplace, and on a well-stocked and fast spare parts warehouse that ensures deliveries within 24 hours through the major international express couriers. The fast and reliable logistics service transports the Maschio Gaspardo products from the production site to the domestic dealers or embarkation points for shipment. In this way, the supply times and the integrity of the products are guaranteed during road transportation. When you do a good job, the soil always pays you back. The Maschio brothers have developed their company on the basis of this concept. Their main goal has always been to manufacture machines that can concretely favor the development of agriculture and offer real help to farmers. Maschio Gaspardo, a solid group coming up with finest solutions every day, conceiving new technologies, proposing and sharing know-how for the development of agriculture. Definitely a great group. That's the winning team.